Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with HubSpot for CRM Essentials, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by navigating to the HubSpot website. On the home page, locate the Get Started Free button. Click on it to begin the sign-up process. You will be directed to a registration page. Fill in the required fields, including your email address and password. After entering your information, click on the Create Account button. You will receive a verification email shortly. Access your email inbox and find the HubSpot verification email. Click on the link provided in the email to verify your account. Once verified, you'll be redirected back to the HubSpot website. Now, you can set up your account by entering your company's name. Fill in additional details such as your phone number and website. Select your preferred language from the drop-down menu. Next, choose the size of your business from the provided options. HubSpot will then ask what your primary goal is with CRM Essentials. Select the option that best fits your needs. After completing this form, click on the Next button. You may be prompted to connect your email account for seamless communication. Follow the instructions to link your email if desired. Once you've set up your basic preferences, you will see the dashboard. From there, navigate to the Products section. Locate and select CRM Essentials from the available options. You will be presented with a brief overview of the CRM features. Review the information and click on Get Started with CRM Essentials. Choose your After selecting a plan, proceed by entering your payment information. Once payment details are entered, review all terms and conditions. You will receive a confirmation message regarding your subscription. Now you can explore the CRM Essentials features in your account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.